posachedwapa tikupasirani zimene wayankhula Samia Suleman kusatira kutulusidwa kapena kuti kuthamangisidwa mu nyumba ya malamulo lero lino, ndipo atolankhani panja a Samia Suleman atangotulusidwa anawathamangira ndi kuwachita interview kuti kodi zidakhala motani, ndipo umu ndi mmene afotokozera a Samia Suleman.
Ndazisiya tinapita ku health break, ndabweraso kwabwera nduna a transport ndayimikaso point of order alankhulaso mmene mujazili pa Hansard mukhoza kachita check kuti Blantyre I see you, I will recognize you just now, mpaka na aloweraso mafunso achakutha kuti ine ndisafunsi. Ndino ine ndimadabwa chifukwa ndinayima nokwafunsa kodi chimene simukundipasira mpata ndi chani, mandisankha kale ndikupita kule zoyankha zake akuti ndikuchita mwana chifukwa ndafunsa nde andipasa 105 akuti masiku 5 ndisakhale Parliament. Nde ndimafuna ndiauza akazombo ndi gulu lawo la Congress kuti nyumba ya malamulo iyi CMCP, nyumba ya malamulo ndi awina aliyense. Ine sinabwere kuno kuti ananditumiza ndichakwera kapena kazombo iya, nabwera kuno chifukwa anthu akwathu anandivotera kuti ndibwere kuno. Inenso ndikuyenera kupasidwa ulemu nyumba muno ngati member of Congress. Koma zimene zikuchitika izizi tikuziwa fa akambirana zana kukokasi kwawo kuti anthu angapo kuphatikizapo ineyo asatilole kulankhula. Ndinaziwa kuti lero sandilola kulankhula, ndimayimira dala kuti ndione ndizoonadi, ndiye mwaziona nokha lero kuti sakufuna kuti tizilankhula. Koma chimene ndimayimira ineyo kuti ndilankhule ndimafuna ndifunse dziko, ndifunse boma kuti ndilankhule zoona ku dziko. Zana tamva president akunena kuti akusazika kunena kuti afuna apite ku Dubai akagule mafuta aziko. Ndimafuna ndifunse kuti kuyambira liti president wa ziko akupita akagula mafuta kunja sizinachitikepo? Tikuziwa kuti kumene amapitako, kumene akupitako sikuti akagula mafuta, sikuti akagula mafuta, koma akukaona zinthu zawo kumene kuti kusati agula manyumba ambirimbiri ku Dubai akuyendera zimenezi. Tinalibe forex mpaka nakhala pansi pano bungwe la WFP ndi bungwe la ku America atipasa $, kuti tigule chokudya tithandize anthu athu. Akutenga ndalama imeneyo kuti azikayenda nayo. Izizi ifeyo sitilola, izizi ifeyo ngati Malawi sitilola. Komanso ndiauza akazombo kuti iwo ndi MP ngati ndemwe, palibe chabwino chimene timachiona, palibe kuti iwo ndiwophunzira kapena kuti china iye andife chimozimozi. Tipasane ulemu ngati tonse ndife ma MPs. Nyumba iyi ndi awina aliyense, siyachipani tikabera kuno azitilola kulankhula ndifake timalankhula no kwa inu kumakhanga tife achipongwe. Ndiye 5 days andipasa ndikagwira ndibwera ndili nawo.
Posachedwapa tikupasirani mmene lero zinalili ku Parliament pamene Samia Suleman wa chipani cha DPP anamuthamangisa posasatira malamulo mu Parliament, ndipo iyeyu amanena kuti anapasidwa mpata kuti ayankhule, kenako zinazasintha kuti asayankhule nthawi yatha. Ndiye iyeyu analusa ndi kukwiya, kenako kuyamba kuyankhula zimene zidayakwiisa a speaker a nyumba imeneyi.
Question understand on the 14 that need to be addressed. No, but deputy, that's where I'm going to. That's where I'm going to. Honourable members, that marks the end of question time. And now, before we adjourn, we go to standing order. Question understanding order 14. I know members, all of you wanted to ask, but time not on our side. You are a leader. Opposition wants to ask, so because of seniority, we will respect the leader of Honourable for Blantyre Southeast, resume your Thank you so much. We go to question understanding number 14. the people of Mulanje Southwest. Thank you. Honorable member, your leader is standing. Respect him, please.
No, it's a point of order.
No. Your leader is standing.
No.
No.
Respect anybody. But I am standing in a point of order. As a member of this house, I have the right.
Unfortunately, we respect our standing orders. We respect standing orders. Thank you.
It's a point of order. Second time.
Mulanje Southwest. The powers to appoint is on the chair. The powers to select is on the chair. You don't have the powers. You don't have the powers. 105. Blantyre Southeast 105. No. 105. 105. Sayadams 105. 105. Not this chair. Not this chair, please. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. Will be back on Tuesday. Thank you.
You recognize me. This is not MCP Parliament. This is for Malawians. I've got the right to be here. I've got the right to be here and to speak. You recognize me 2 times. You promised me to speak to the front. I did not give me. This is Parliament. This is Malawian. He recognized me.
I've told you to go out. I've told you to go out. I've told you to go out. I've told you to go out.
First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker. First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker, sir.
Blantyre Southeast, I've told you to go out.
First Deputy Speaker, sir.
I've told you to go out. Obey the ruling of the chair. I've told you to go out. I'm adding more days. I've told you to go out. You have to respect the chair. The chair has the power to select. No. Leader of opposition, that's your member. That's your member. Leader of opposition, that's your member.
Let's try to solve this matter amicably.
105 out. I'm suspending you for 5 days. I'm suspending you for 5 days. Leader. Maybe before the leader speaks, let me make this before the leader of opposition and leader of the house may sit down. Yeah, I recognize you. Order members, I want to speak. Order members. Order members. Order members. Order members. Order members. The chair has the power to choose how to speak. That's what is in the standing orders. Even if I say I will recognize you, but now we have a question under standing order 14. For almost a week, the leader opposition has been looking forward to an opportunity to ask. And this morning, before we start business, he stood on a point of order to say, I've been asking. I want to ask him a question. Now, we had 5 minutes to go. Many people had stood, wanted to ask a question, including the South, which had promised. But because of 5 minutes to go, which he has to ask a question and the minister has to respond and then have to make an announcement, 5 minutes was not enough. As a chair, had to make a decision not to recognize those that had promised to recognize. But I have the powers here. Now, if I say, sorry, because of time, we have the leader opposition to speak, and somebody stands and start doing what I was doing. Leader opposition, put the house in order. That's not fair from my side. And be sorry, I would have given him 30 days. I'm telling you, the way he behaved, I would have even given him 30 days. But that's an arure. That's an arure. Leader of the House.
Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, I think first is to apologize to the chair. I think this being the House of Records, we have both what we speak here and what is recorded. What we have seen here is shameful, because if you had recognized somebody from this side, it would have been another issue. But you recognized his leader, and being his leader, honorables from that side, this issue I'm speaking, you should also note that this is a house for Malawians. The leader of opposition is appointed because of the law. He requested us a question, we accepted to take the question. I even wrote there to say the leader of opposition has been standing. Can you curtail the Minister of Transport? And that was agreed that the leader of opposition should speak. And your own leader of opposition, you don't want to respect. And now you start accusing the chair to say, this is not an MCP parliament. What has MCP done with this? Why do you always accuse MCP for things that are not supposed to be attached to MCP? So, Right Honorable Speaker, I'm speaking, I have the right. MCP has nothing to do with this type of behavior. Don't say Kutinkaniata when you have just disrespected your own leader. Why do you back somebody when he's misbehaving? No. So, First Deputy Speaker, next time, it happened the same way. When the opportunity was given last time, the leader didn't speak. Another member from DPP said that the leader was not available. Today, you have given the leader of opposition time. Another member from DPP says, no, it's me, when he is the leader. And he stands and starts accusing MCP when the whole country is watching that it is them, not us. Now, no one had time to extend time. We cannot extend time after time has gone. And never stand in this house and say government is stifling your debate. When it is your own making, you stand up and say, when it is your own making, go and put your house in order. That's why I said the opposition is sleeping, because you cannot refuse the leader of opposition to speak. So we are not extending time. Thank you.
Honourable members, before we adjourn, we have students from El Mariam Foundation Private School. May you stand, please? I recognize you. May you stand, please? This El Mariam Foundation Private School, welcome at Parliament. On behalf of the Honourable Speaker and indeed the entire House, this is a house. Sometimes things get hot, and here the feeble don't fit. The strong are those that are here. So work hard in class and one day make it to Parliament. Work hard all the time. The members of staff that teach the students, please encourage the students to work hard. One day they should be members of Parliament. Thank you so much. You may have your seats, please. Thank you. Honourable members, it is past 12:30. It's been a lovely week, and as we look forward to meeting again on Monday, 2 p.m. House adjourned.
Kumutu ndi mmene zinalili ku nyumba ya malamulo pamene Suleman wa chipani cha DPP anathamangisidwa posasata malamulo.